Hey everyone, sorry I haven't been, doing anything really. So, I'm still not gonna say what I'm getting to record more, but I'm gonna say what's gonna be happening after I will be able to. Um, Now I have to, it takes 1 to possibly 3 hours just to edit one single video of when I do. And live streaming won't be easy either because I have to do a game and then see if I could do this or that. Now you'll see why I haven't been uploading much. I didn't really have ideas. Every time I live stream didn't work. But now I won't be getting such problems. I have some equipment ready to live stream and record. So recording might take longer, but I won't live stream a whole lot, but I will be live streaming maybe a couple times. Sometimes, not all the time. You know what I mean. But I was just wanting to let you guys know so you didn't think I was dying or something. But if you want to do stuff on live streams, now is the time to do so. Do a thing where you can play with a YouTuber or something, because this time right now. Sorry, I'm not really doing much. You'll see that my videos are usually a month ago or something. But soon you're gonna see ones that are a day ago. That's 2-3 videos. I won't make a whole lot of videos either. I'll make 1 to 2 videos a week, and live streaming might be either 1 through 2 weeks or 2 through 2 weeks. I'm just letting you guys know now so I don't do overdose. So this is just my quick news and my live stream and recording stuff. So when I'm doing some, it doesn't matter what day it is as long as it's part of the week. So, okay guys, hope you enjoyed my news and quick update, I guess. You might see that it's a week or two. It's still taking a while, but I'm almost there to doing it. It's just I moved to a new house or apartment. I don't care. It's just gonna take a while before I can do stuff again. When I'm fully done moved in, I'll do a house tour, everything. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Hope that you are doing good during this quarantine. I hope you have a good day. Okay, guys. See ya.